Hey folks, Richard Evans here, Paradise Tour Guy, and I am here in Las Vegas at the Bellagio. And we're starting out just here at the fountains by the main entrance, which I always love these fountains. They're beautiful, their little watery sounds are relaxing, and then we can begin our visit. But the main reason we're here is it's start of the official summer season at Bellagio. Yeah, it's the end of May. But the Conservatory has switched over. They've closed off their spring display, broken it down, and it's time to check out the summer display that we're going to be having. But first of all, check out the beautiful lobby. I can just get lost looking at all that Chifuli handmade glass flowers on the ceiling. And I love this fountain too, always wonderfully gone. That's supposedly a very antique fountain front right in there where the boy and the angels and stuff are. But here we are at the opening of the Bellagio Conservatory for summer of 2022. Definitely an African theme. Giraffes there and monkeys, and I'm not sure what the bluebirds are. Definitely have an angry little cast to them. There's a spotted cat hanging around. Just a lot of cool things. Look at that monkey, how realistic it looks. That's the fun thing with the conservatory. They have a staff of over 120, and all they do is not only do they take care of the landscaping around the Bellagio, but they also plan and create and maintain all of the beautiful different displays that they have both at the conservatory and some of the other places around here. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, this is a free display that's just off the lobby of the Bellagio. It's decorated for 5 different seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall, plus Chinese or Lunar New Year. So they're just starting off with the summer. Now, the summer is the longest display. Most of the displays are usually up for about 7 weeks. The summer display about 2.5 months. So it's the longest one. It keeps on going until it's taken over by the fall, or oftentimes they call it the harvest display. And like I said, definitely an African sort of look to it with the animals. There's a zebra. In a second, we're going to be having a Lion King, almost a Disney-ish sort of thing. There he is, the Lion King, and he's got his son, I'm assuming his son there. But just an absolutely beautiful, beautiful display. But you know what? Even though it is beautiful, there's also a couple of little interesting things. And one mystery at the end of this show. And I'll take care of that right by the end. But yeah, there is very definitely a mystery. We're going to have to go searching for something before we're done. One of the things that they do here at the conservatory display is these are almost all fresh flowers. They have staff members who go through regularly. In fact, I'm told in many cases nightly, they go through and check to see if any of the flowers or plants are starting to wilt, and if they do, they swap them out. Here's a fun little thing. They have underneath this little structure here, a place where you can kind of walk out into the middle of this display, get a different look at the flamingos that are there, and you can just see the foot of the Lion King that's there. It's fun little thing. This is a look on the backside. This is a little bit more basic. So a lot of times they have lots of little secret places on the backside of this place. Not so much there. We're on the other side now. They got this beautiful toucan. And again, another look at the Lion King and the flamingos and this lovely waterfall that they have here. Just a lovely, lovely place. In the middle of the desert. In the middle, it's outside, it's 110, 115 degrees. Inside here, it's light, it's airy, it's cool. It's got that rushing water in the background. It's such a nice, lovely, relaxing place to go in the middle of Las Vegas where it gets so crazy. A better look at that waterfall with the toucan in front. Now, one thing I do want to talk about as far as this here, it is really, really, oh, there's the zebra. Sorry. Oh, and there's the snake. Watch out. Don't get bitten by that snake. That's a weird looking snake. I'm not familiar with what, some sort of I don't know what kind of snake. It kind of has a head of a cobra, but I don't know. In a palm tree. A couple of things I don't know about palm trees and Africa with snakes on it. I get confused. And here you kind of see a little fun little thing. You have these two zebras walking through. It kind of looks like a mirror. These two frames, just little things, and then some more African type of birds. I've seen these birds before on shows, but I don't really remember what they're called, the ones with the very long tails. Always been fascinating. And getting down to it, these beautiful, beautiful flowers. No, they're not fake. They are actual real flowers. And more monkeys and more structures to just have lots and lots and lots of fun. So we're kind of coming up on what I consider the mystery of this whole place as we do one last little look around as far as all these beautiful animals from a slightly different angle. The giraffes and with their little flowery necklaces. Oh yeah, just lovely flowers. Are those sunflowers or are they something different? I'm not sure. Can someone tell me? Now here's a hint for everybody who visits. In the very back left corner, they always put some sort of a selfie spot. Sometimes it's like a postcard. This one's just kind of a simple thing where you can take your picture at. So always be on the lookout for there. But here we are, guys. We're kind of coming up on what the mystery is, because if those of you who've been here before, you know there's always an obelisk right about here. It's always there. It never changes, but it's gone. They've done something with the obelisk. We'll have to check that out. Stick here for reports. But anyway, so this is the summer version of the Conservatory at the Bellagio. Again, I'm Richard Evans, Paradise Tour Guy, and I'll see you next time. You're in Las Vegas.